Hi, this is Jing Chen. This is my homework 5 project extracting the insights from the network trees or map. So I use the map data, geometric map data to visualize the fast food across the U.S. and try to figure out the two example insight. The first one is that since the United States has the most fast food in the world, so we suppose that across the US there are many different kinds of fast food, and we kind of want to figure out the distribution of the fast food restaurants. So we have the second example insight since the so we pick up the two biggest states, the New York states and the California states, and clean the data from the original raw data sets, um, um, and try to figure out the deep meaning behind the data. The task from this project, we're looking for the data of the fast food position, the geometric data, to map it on the Google map, and choose the most famous fast food restaurant, the McDonald's position of California and the United States, and the New York states. We could see the so in order also we pick up the most famous fast food restaurants from these two states and try to compare the numbers to prove our example insights. For the data manipulation part, all of the data sets are table, and we have after the cleaning we have four columns and the attributes. The first one is the longitude and the latitude, and the second one is the name of the restaurant and the numbers of the restaurant calculated um, for for the two states, and also the state name. The data availability are static. Also, the marks in the channels are the color, and the bar chart, the maps. Also, the channel is the location. So after the cleaning, we have two um, to clean the data sets. The first group is the New York fast food, which stored the picked fast food restaurant and the total number of that located in the New York states as well as the California. And also we have the position of the MC stores, the longitude and the latitude of that in this New York and California. So for the first section, visualization section, we can see um, that the MC stores are pretty much randomly spread over the whole New York state, but most of the stores are in the in the New York City. But from the California states, we can see that most of the MC stores are located in the two different cities, which are the two biggest cities in the California, the San Francisco and the Los Angeles. Um, that makes sense because those two cities are more developed in the economy and financing part, compared to the other cities in those two states. So from the bar chart part, we calculated the total number of the picked fast food restaurant, and um, we can see that for most of the restaurant for most of the fast food, California has the fast food restaurant are in the California are pretty much two times than the one in the New York. Um, so from this project, we can see that for this fast food restaurant are having more market share and more potential development in the future in California. And for the Burger King and the Five Guys, New York State probably gonna have more market share in the future.